Hi YouTube. After a very uneventful, stupid move on my part, I ripped off both of my lower skirts on my 2012 Mazda 3, and I tried to search on YouTube to find anybody that had to reinstall the factory skirts onto those clips. And I couldn't find anything, so I'm making a quick video to help anybody else in the same predicament. The key that I found worked for me is to not install this clip onto the car, but rather install it on the skirt itself, and then once you slide the skirt back into place, you pop this clip and also this clip as well, this top one. So that's what worked for me. So to repeat, you grab the skirt and the way the clips are made inside the skirt, they're slotted backwards right here. See, all the clips are slotted. So you have to tuck the skirt up in place towards the front end of the car. And you make sure all the clips line up, and then you slide it backwards into place. But it was quite a problem doing that to all the clips, including these top ones. So what worked for me is I slid the skirt in place using all the bottom clips, and once it was in place on the car, then I just kind of bent this back, because it's plastic. I just bent it back, inserted the clip into the slot, pressed it up against the car, and that worked for me. So there you go.